Okay, this is a short video tutorial for the second violins on Songbirds by Loretta Finn. For the second violins, your first notes are dotted minims. There are 3 beats in every bar, and a dotted minim goes for 3 beats. So you'll have just 1 note for every bar. I'll start that for you. It's fairly easy. I think you can do this. 1, 2, 3. We start with an A, 4, 3, then a G, 4, 3, another A, 4, 3, another A, 4, 3, another A, 4, 3, then a G, 4, 3. Now an F, which is the low second finger. It's not F sharp, it's F. F, 4, 3, E, 4, 3. I'm playing it pizzicato for you because I want you to practice it just pizzicato first. Okay, the next section is a little trickier. C, B, A, C, B, G, D. Now see whether you can use your 4th finger here for E, D, C. Now E open string, F sharp, D, A. C, B, A, C, B, A, G, B, A, B, C, A. So, I'll go one more time from the beginning, just pizzicato, and I want you to get this ready for your next rehearsal. 1, 2, 3, A, 4, 3, G, 4, 3, A, 4, 3, A, 4, 3, A, 4, 3, G. Low second finger for F, 2, 3, E. Now we go back to the A string with a low second finger.